Welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. We've covered the visuals, your gorgeous header, gallery, and YouTube integration. But to establish authority, share detailed reviews, and earn affiliate income, you need written content. And the engine for all of that is the Wix blog app. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add the Wix blog app to your site and learn how to create content within it for your stunning product reviews. Let's dive in. If you haven't pre installed Wix blog yet, here's how you can manually install it. Go to the app button on the left. On the search bar, look for Wix blog and select Wix blog. This button should say Add to Site. So click on the Add to Site button. In my case, it says Open because I already have this feature installed. In order to display your blog post on your homepage, you can add a blog post section to it. But first, you're going to need to prepare a section to put your blog post layout onto. So we're going to add a section. Let's go to Add Section on the left. You can simply add a blank one and use these arrow keys or arrow buttons over here to move your section wherever you want to place it. Also, you might need to adjust the height of your section just to make sure you have enough room for the contents you're going to put there later on. Okay, so our section is ready. It's time to add the blog layout onto our homepage. Go to the plus button on the left and look for blog. And over here, you should see different layouts that you can choose from. Simply drag and drop your selected layout onto your prepared section. There we go. By the way, the things that are displayed here are just demo posts. You can create your own posts, and we're going to show you how to do that later on. Now, it's time to learn how to write your content. So go to the My Business button on the left, select Wix blog, and click on Write Post. By the way, you can also see blog on your dashboard, and you can also create a new post from your website's dashboard. Anyway, going back, once you do that, you'll see this on your screen. So this is where you'll be able to start writing your blog post or your content. So go ahead and input your title as well as your content. And by the way, guys, using the tools over here, you can format your text however you want to. And if you want to add additional elements like images, videos, etc., go to the Add button here. And here you'll be able to see some options that you can add to your blog post. Say, for example, we're going to add an image. So let's select Image, select your chosen image, and select Add to Page. And then you can format how you'd like your image to appear. You can choose the size here, so compact, standard, extended, and original size. Once you're done, make sure to review your content. Make sure there are no typos, any mistakes, etc. And once you're done with that, it's time to deal with the settings. So go to Settings here on the left, and this is where you can set your featured image, which, by the way, the first image you'll add will be the featured image here. You can also add an alt text, publish date, writer, excerpt, add related posts, feature this post, and allow commenting on this post. Also, set your categories here so that your blog posts are neatly organized. And tags here so your site visitors will easily find your post. Additionally, you can set up its SEO and monetization options here on the left as well. And once all of that's done, you can now publish your post or save it as draft. And that's how you set up the Wix blog app. You now have the perfect place to share all your detailed product reviews and elegant tutorials. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.